Welcome to 5 Luo Words a Day. This is day number 36. If you've not been following this series, please scroll back to day number 1 on our playlist and learn all the 35 days. In today's episode, we shall talk about alaktar. Alaktar. This is the yellow acacia tree or the red thorn tree. Alaktar. Ka iwuotho kod tiendi nono. Ka iwuotho kod tiendi nono, kudho mar alaktar nyalo hinyo tiendi. Ka iwuotho kod tiendi nono, kudho mar alaktar nyalo hinyo tiendi. And our second word, alam. Alam. So the Lord's Prayer is called alam mar ruodhwa. Wawach uru alam mar ruodhwa. Wawach uru alam mar ruodhwa. Alam. Our third word of the day is alanda. Alanda. So alanda is when something goes broadly or widely, like how a watermelon grows. Alanda. So you can say afuoto dongoga alanda elowo. Afuoto dongoga alanda elowo. So the watermelon grows broadly and it spreads out on the ground. Our fourth word is alang'o. Alang'o. Alang'o is a type of green beans. So we can say in a sentence, opidho oganda mar alang'o e puothe mamwalo kacha. Opidho oganda mar alang'o e puothe mamwalo kacha. Sorry, I'll take that again. Opidho oganda mar alang'o e puothe mamwalo kacha. Alang'o. And our last word of the day is ale. Ale. So ale is a position of the arm so that the arm is bent and the hands are open and the thumb is facing up. That is called ale. Ale. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And also you can share the video with your friends. It really helps the channel grow and also spreads out the Luo dictionary words. I will see you tomorrow with yet another video on day number 37. Oriti. Bye-bye.